Now I've had this little urban e-bike for quite a while now, and it's just perfect for going around all the side streets and alleys and cut-throughs and getting to exactly where you want to get quickly and easily. It's got up to 34 kilometers of pedal assist, so there's no chance of running out of power, and even if you did, you just pedal back to the car. So I just throw this little bike into the boot. It only weighs 20 kilos, so it's easy to manoeuvre and lift out, and it folds up. You just lift the handlebars up, clip them in place and lock them with this tab, and then in goes the seat, again just locked into position. Then you rotate the handlebars and lock them into position which is comfortable for your style of riding. There's a simple on-off switch, and once you've pressed this, the indicator will show how much battery power you've got, and it's as simple as that. This little bike will do up to 15 miles an hour with pedal assist on maximum, and it's been getting me around town with complete ease. It's got 3 different methods. You can use pedal only, pedal assist, or use the built-in throttle where you can legally do so. So let's do a quick unboxing. The bike itself weighs 20 kilos, so it's pretty lightweight. Because you can fold it, it's fitting in a nice sized box for transport. I think you have to lift it out all in one go. Let's have a try. Oh yeah, there you go. So this looks like a really compact city bike. The charger's in there and a little Allen key set. Saddle. So I've just got to get all this protective transport wrapping off the bike now, and the cable ties that are securing everything down. Then there's the pedals to go on. You can use their DYU cycle toolkit for this if you want, and it's ready to go. So there you are, fully assembled in under half an hour. This looks like it's going to be a really lovely little urban bike. I'm going to go over everything, double check it for tightness and it's working properly, charge it up, and then we can really test it. Well, it's fully charged up now, so all you need to do is take it out to the road. So this is a value for money urban bike, and as such it's not got any gears, but the gear ratio and the pedal ratio that they've used is quite comfortable actually, and the motor cuts in a sensible amount of rotations, so it's quite nice. At the moment I'm just poodling along and hardly any effort on the pedals, yet it's moving quite fast. And I've been testing this out for the last month or so, and it's far easier than jumping in your car, driving down to somewhere, parking up and everything. Where I live, I can just jump on a bike, whiz into town, and I can get to all the shops and supermarkets and cafes as easy as anything. Although it's an urban bike, it's still pretty good on these sort of gravel paths, and it's having no problem riding along the riverside here. I think that because these tyres are a bit fatter than normal, you get a much more smoother ride over these stones and bumps. And for an urban bike, this feels very manoeuvrable. It actually feels quite safe, even on these slippery stones. But realistically, I think this bike comes more into its own riding in a town and riding on concrete roads and pavements and whizzing in and out of places. Of course, this bike is ideal for someone who commutes into work via train. Being it's only 20 kilos in weight and it folds down, it's no problem at all. Just picking it up and stepping yourself on and off for a train without any hassle at all. Now I want to give you a complete rundown of this DYU C3 urban bike. Firstly, this e-bike is compact, lightweight and small enough to go everywhere and is ideal for urban travel in a city, to the supermarket or to a park like we are here. Now at the moment, this DYU C3 14-inch e-bike is on sale on their official website, the DYU website, for £449, which I think offers very good value for money. It's got these 14-inch wheels which are fatter than normal road wheels. It's got one gear ratio and that's it. Very basic. And it's all powered by this 250 watt brushless motor. It will take you to 25 kilometers an hour, which is plenty fast enough around town, and it'll give you a range of about 34 kilometers. Again, plenty for what you need in city travel. Another feature I quite like are the front and rear LED lights. They come on independently through a switch here, but the rear light's got another function. When you press the brake lever, the light comes on and acts as a brake light. Very nice feature. Also, while we're round here at the end, it's got this bike rack. It's a really sturdy rack. It will carry up to 25 kilos and it's not the sort of thing that you really get on these little bikes, but I found it to be very, very handy. It's got front and rear cable disc brakes and they work fine. And surprisingly, it even comes with front and rear mud guards and also a chain mud guard, which is very good for city commuting. Now the only downside for me about this bike is the fact that the battery, which is in here, is fully built into the frame, which of course means that you can't take it out. And I like to take the batteries out of the bikes at night, charge them indoors so I can keep an eye on them and make sure they get fully charged. In this case, you just have to plug it directly into the bike. Not a big issue. Also, I would say this bike is definitely designed for people under 6 foot, maybe 5'9", 5'10" even. I'm 5'8". I find it very comfortable. My wife is 5 foot and she finds it extremely comfortable, but just bear that in mind. But all in all, a very capable little e-bike. I like it a lot. It's whizzed me about all over the place, and Margot's already claimed it for our next travels abroad. So on that note, folks, I think I'll end this video here. It genuinely is a good little e-bike. So take care then, stay safe, and we'll catch you on the next Wrinkly Nomads video. Bye for now.